for me. See you later.
Big five there. Whoa, what a...
Time for another round. Let's go. Woo, baby. Cash in with 10x. Lovely, lovely dollars. Lovely, lovely dollars. Look at that beautiful cash, ladies and gentlemen. The Nation Boy bringing it to you. Cash on 10x. No worries. Absolutely no worries. Check it out. Who do we got right there? Oh, look. This is just beautiful, guys. You are talking about a 1,000x opportunity right there. You see that? That is absolutely wonderful. Let's mix them up. Send them flying. Hello, Eliza. And, well, profit. It's making good monies. All right, guys. The multiplier's been shuffled. All you have to do right now is just choose one of these targets. You might find that 1,000x. If not the 1,000, you'll find the 500. Come on, good luck. 250, we got that as well. Oh, look at that money. 379 with the 1,737 with the 200x. Holy moly macaroni, and that is it for me. See you later.
Big five there. Whoa, what a lucky charm.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.